If you have an Android TV or a Fire Stick, then this code is going to be a very important code for you because it is a shortcode to multiple stores that you need on your Android TV or Fire Stick. And please make sure to watch this video right up to the end because trust me, you are going to love it. And as usual, if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So as an Android TV user or a Fire Stick user, getting our fluoride applications to our Android TV can be trouble as most of the times we don't get them from where we are supposed to get them. And that's why I create videos like this to show you how to get your fluoride Android TV applications to your Android TV without issues or at ease. And this video is just going to be solving that particular problem. So this is my Android TV and I'm going to show you how I get Android TV apps or how you can use one code to unlock limitless applications to your Android TV. So let's go ahead. Now on my Android TV, I am going to be using a downloader application. Please, if you have a downloader application, you can just go ahead and start typing in the code. But if you don't have the downloader application, follow me on how to install the downloader application. Now to install the downloader application, in my case here, I do not have Google Play Store, so I'll use my browser. Now if you have Google Play Store on your Android TV, just go over to your Google Play Store and search for the application. But if you don't, go over to your browser, any browser will do, and type in downloader app like this. So just type in this on your browser. If your TV is an Android TV, then you are going to get a result like this. But if your TV is not an Android TV, please, if it's a smart TV, you won't be able to install the downloader application. If it's a Fire Stick, just go over to your search and search for the application and you are going to get it. Once you search downloader, we are going to install it to Android TV because we need it. It is a preferred browser to use in this case, even though we can use other browsers. But please, since we're working with codes, downloader is the best because downloader is going to help us to just type in a code and go over to the website that will be showing you. So just wait for application to download and install like this quick as this. Now I just want to add, if you have the downloader app, if you have the Google Play Store on your Android TV, they don't need to use your browser. Just go over to Google Play Store and search for the downloader and you're going to find it there. But if you don't, then go ahead and use the method I just did. And here's the download application. This is how it's going to look like for the first time once we install it. Now to go over here, downloader works best with all just type in codes. So what we have to do here, we have to type in a code that is going to bring us to the site or where I am going to be showing you. So the code in this case is a simple code. Just go over to your numbers. So on your keyboard, go over to your numbers and type in this code. It's a simple short code. It is 7272609. So this is the code 72609. Once you type in the code, just go ahead and launch, and it's going to bring you to this interested perfect site called All Stores. It is a link tree site. That means it is a compilation of Android TV and Fire Stick stores that someone has put together. Now I just want to give a disclaimer. I'm not the owner of this site. I don't own rights to any of this site. I am just doing an educational video to show you that these sites are available. As you can see here, it says best stores on the internet, brought to you by Joe Maxwell. So Joe Maxwell is the one who has compiled all these sites and he calls them best stores on the internet. So this is how it looks like. Now to come here for the first time, the first thing I'll recommend you to do is to add this site to Favorite, so that the next time you go over here, you don't need to type in a code. You just have to go over to your favorites on your downloader and you're going to get all the apps or all the stores or the site here without having to type in a code. So now how does this site work? I'm going to show you a couple of them. I cannot open lots of them because of YouTube policy. So I'll cover here, for instance, the first option here. The first option is not a store, rather it is a site that gives you the possibility to search for different applications with just a code or with a keyword. So this is how this site works. The way it works is that you can go over to this box here and search for any application and it's going to give you a download code for that application. As you can see at the top here, it says they have 126,525 active downloader codes. That means it has more than thousands of applications here. So for instance, if you go over here, you want to search for an application like, I don't have an application in mind, but if you just go ahead and search for an application like Kodi, let's just search Kodi, This is what is going to happen if you search Kodi. So if you search Kodi like this, just go ahead and search. What this app or what this site is going to do is that it's going to give you lots of codes that you can use to install the Kodi application. As you can see, there are tons of different codes they can use, and there are 5 different pages. So you can either use one of the code and type on downloader, or you can just go over here and click once, and the application is just going to start downloading straight away to your Android TV. As simple as that. And that's how the first site works. Now let's go back. Then for the first site, I just want to show you how important this one code is, or what this one code is going to give you access to. Now let's move on to the next. Another interesting site in this is this. There are many other sites. So if you go over here, if you're looking for coding mirrors, you're going to find them here. If you're looking for coding fox, you're going to find them here. And then you're looking for sites or apps, you can choose any other site here. I'm just going to take an example like this one and show you what we can get from it. So if you click an example like Sense Store here, you're going to get something like this. You see different categories of applications. As you can see here, there's live TV, movies, catch-up TV, live sport, all in one, and so on, media players, and so on. So for instance, you can go over to a particular category and see what is there. Let's say for instance, I go over to the media player categories. Let's see what is in this category. Remember, I'm trying to say I cannot show you all these categories because of YouTube policy. So you see, these applications that are here, these are players, and you can install a particular player from here. Let's say for instance, I want to install the MX player. I can just click on it from here, and it's going to give me a download link or a download button. I'll just go over here and I'll click on download, and then wait for the application to start downloading into my Android TV. And here's it is downloading. Once it's done downloading, then I can go ahead and install to my Android TV, and it's as simple as that. And that's how this code is, and that's why I say this is this is an important code, because it's just going to give you lots of different stores. And you know, with most stores you have more options or more options to choose from, and that's why I love this code. And it's, as I said earlier at the beginning of this video, if you own an Android TV or a Fire Stick, you're going to find this code useful or very interesting for you. And if you've not found that yet, then I don't know. But this is how you can download that instant application from here. So you can go over here, just click on install, and the application is going to install straight away to your Android TV or Fire Stick without any issues. So they're telling me this. Oh, my Android TV is trying to block the app, but I don't want that. It's my Android TV. So I'll click install anyway, and it's going to install anyway to my Android TV. So that's it. The application is installed, and I can select the app file, and I can do same for any other app I want to install on this. So as you can see, there are many options and there are many apps you can choose from. So that's it about this. If you found the video helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.